Welcome to a video from DXlifestyle.com. Quick video of the FM sound set that I created for the Uno drum. This is a custom sound set, free download, available from musictech.thedigitallifestyle.com. All the sounds on this are taken from DX7, or I use the TX7, and here's some of them, and I'll give you a demo pattern in a minute. So we've got some kicks, different sounding ones. Not all the sounds have got patches on them or sounds on them because of the memory requirements. A nice big kick there. So there's the kicks, snare. So these are all from FM generated sounds. Some are shorter than others. FM sounding thin, so I've even got some hats in there. And there's no claps on this one. I've included some demo claps, but they aren't from the FM set. So you get something like this. So it's a free download available from the website, along with Fairlight, Yamaha, Roland sound sets.